Kadeers. All I see is green light, ain't no stopping me. All I see is green.
Hello world, this is ML. I am back with another video blog, but this time I'll be doing a hotel review on a hotel named Hollywood Inn Suites Hotel, located in Gardena, California. We just landed in Los Angeles a few hours ago. I'm here to do a hotel review. Once again, this is ML for KadeersTV. So we're gonna start off with the bathroom. Here we go. So this is the bathroom. And look at the mirror. Bright. Complimentary shampoo. Oops. Shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and cleansing soap. Nice frame, a little spacious for a bathroom. Got the toilet. Here's the shower. Shower head. Bathtub. I'm not really a fan of bathtub. I really like the standalone shower, but this will do. You got the towel hanger here. Few switches, plugs, some hand towels. You got the towels rolled up on the bottom here, and you got hair dryer underneath the sink. You have a large mirror. One thing I like about this hotel, look at the door. Check how it slides. You slide it, boom. That's your door for the bathroom. And also, you have the closet. Closet is a bit small, but it'll do. You have a digital safe here for your stacks. Don't forget DOSOS. DOSOS clothing. I just like how this door slides. Of course, we have a smoke detector, nightstand, and what I like about it is you have plugs and USB here by the nightstand. And here's your bed. Nice bed. This is a king size, I believe. I like the headboard. Fancy. And you have another nightstand on the other side. And also ample plug and USB plug. Sofa. More light. Aircon or heater. It's a bit cool here in California. You have a working table, working desk with a lamp, nice chair. You have a Daewoo. This is a fridge here. Nice little fridge. I like the color too. Red. You have a few shelves here. Some cabinet space. Another shelf. And of course, a 50-inch TV. It's supposed to be a smart HD TV. Okay, wow, nice and clear. This whole room is 450 square foot of space. Okay, as you can see, It's very spacious. Okay? It's clean. It smells clean. Enough mirrors. You have a mirror here as well. Very minimal. I like it. The lady at the front desk, she's great. Check-in was easy. I booked this hotel from Expedia. Yeah, so that's why I booked it. Free parking and no hidden charges, man. So I'm gonna give y'all one last look of this hotel, and it cost me under $125 per night. Okay, and for that price, I say it's a win-win situation. I am not sponsored by this hotel. I am giving an honest review based on my perspective. Okay, so once again, this is ML. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at ML for sure. That's at ML for sure. Check out the clothing brand. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Facebook at DOSOS Clothing. That's at DOSOS Clothing. And also, if you happen to be in New York State or in the New York area and would like to rent, buy or sell real estate property, please contact me. So once again, this is ML. Hello world. Bye world. Peace.
Kadeers, all I see is green, like ain't no stopping me.